Aquaponics by J.J. Wilson. The goal: create a model to test the efficiency of three common methods side by side. Different methods of plants grown aquaponically include media-filled beds, deep water culture, as well as nutrient film technique. The build, which took a significant amount of my time while in Design Fellows. This is the bell siphon, which allows the bed to drain and fill. Media-filled beds require a drain-fill cycle to avoid waterlogging. Due to the small size of this model, the bell siphon did not work properly 100% of the time. This required several modifications to the intake of the siphon to increase water flow. Refer to the left of the video to gain a better understanding of how the bell siphon works. Once the bell siphon was functioning properly, I added the media and planted the seeds in the rock wool. And after a couple of weeks, we had tomato sprouts in the media bed and lettuce in the nutrient film technique. For the next couple of weeks, everything was fine and continued growing. But as the summer grew hotter and hotter, so did the water temperature. At first, all I could do was change the water. But that wasn't the goal of this project. I wanted something that would be able to take care of itself. So I did some research and found a pretty cool water cooler. Except I wasn't ready to pay $850 for it. So I decided to create my own, using Peltier units used typically for cooling computers, which was also a little less expensive. The process involved a little bit of wiring. Okay, a lot of bit of wiring, but it works. I have wired it so that when these temperature probes detect a temperature over 24 degrees Celsius, they automatically turn on the water cooler. And when it goes back down below 22 degrees Celsius, it turns off. And that was the final solution. After that, the plants began to thrive, and my project was pretty much done. By the end of this project, each of the methods produced at least one plant. I suspect more plants would have grown if there were more nutrients in the water. Where are the fish? The only reason I did not add fish to the system was because the water temperature was too high and I wanted to make sure that they would survive. But this coming summer, I am planning to add fish to the system because of the fantastic results of last year. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the Wilbraham and Munson Academy Data Blitz and STEM Expo.